FUBO stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Fubotv Incorporated is already 2.8% down. Honestly speaking, man, like I'm very open-minded for longs, right? I'm not that stubborn guy, but it's not yet a long, and I'm going to show you when and how. Well, I've been in the market for 5 years, spent 5 figures on core cement. There's like 4.5 or so, and I have 39,000 videos proof documenting me actually putting in the reps and figuring out what's working and what's not. In this particular instance, Fubo, I'm looking to take it up. Not in a way where I'm just going to randomly buy it, but you see it pulling down, and only if this shows me that shift, you bet I'm buying. People are, going to come out here and just overcomplicate stuff, but not me. Why? Because I first-handedly experienced this stuff, like in this instance, this is where I would like to see double breaks from. Other than that, it's noise. So I will continue to keep you updated. This is not financial advice, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.